But you at your mama's house though. But you having a whole picnic.
Well,
who is Brandon? No, who is Brandon? Why you didn't tell me you was coming up here? All right, look, when you get done with your little picnic, your gonna be ready. When you get done with your little picnic, your gonna be ready for you to pick it up. The hell out of my damn face.
After months of speculation, he finally got his proof.
Baby, guess what? I got a vacation for us for the night. I packed all of our stuff. I'm gonna go take a shower. Can you just put the suitcases outside for me real quick, please?
This is a trip?
Yes, just for tonight. Just a little getaway.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. Thank you.
Of course.
Oh.
Just put the stuff outside for me real quick.
Okay.
All right.
Where are we going?
We're going on a trip. Actually, I actually found your Tinder right here. If you can't tell, that's your Tinder. So actually, this is all of your stuff. And now that you're out of the house, you can stay out. And you could sleep on the streets tonight. Get out of my house.
What's up?
I'll see you.
Where are you heading out? Why are you bringing a backpack?
The girl's house. What do you mean? I just need to bring it.
You were my wife of 3 years, and you're bringing a backpack to the girl's house? What, are you sleeping over?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I'm sleeping over. I gotta go.
How old are you? What the heck?
Stop.
Why do you have a bag? What's in the bag?
Just leave it alone.
What is in the
I'm
bag?
serious, John. Just leave it alone.
Lucy, what's in the bag? What? Why do we have the Impruvia pads in your backpack?
We're watching a scary movie.
You need the incontinence pads because you're afraid you're gonna piss your pants.
Basically.
No, please. You said you're done.
After I take it for on and on and on.
After you take what?
Then I get upset.
After you take what?
After I take your abuse. Your mental abuse.
You get
and
upset
sometimes
over
physical abuse.
anything.
No, Jared.
Physical abuse?
All
Did you
the
say?
time. I'm done. I'm done with you.
Okay, please be. I'm begging you. Just leave me alone.
You're never gonna clean up
Please,
after yourself.
please don't.
You are such a liar. You're a liar. You're such a liar. Play it for the camera. Honor, respect me. You haven't done it one fucking day of our marriage. And I fucking hate you for it, and I will never fucking forgive you. And we are done. I am done. I fucking hate you. That face, the fucking everything. Your heart is black as coal, Jared.
It's a good thing you letting her go, bro. Don't ever think twice about bringing her back to your life. You just dodged a bullet.
Nothing. I was on the phone with my friend. Don't snatch my phone.
I heard a nigga.
No, you didn't.
Oh, who's on your phone?
I said it looked like it. I don't know why you standing up for me like you gonna do something.
On your phone. Bro, what you smiling for? She's wanted me. Forgot her fucking password. Bro, what was it?
You tell me.
What was that? What was it?
I said nobody. My choice.
Right back. I'm gonna mind my business. I'm gonna mind my business.
Yeah, I know, like, I messed it up. I know that.
What are you doing here? Why are you at my mom's house?
We're talking.
About what? There's nothing for you to
Your
talk
mom
about.
thinks you should give me another chance.
Her opinion doesn't matter. Why are you talking to my mom? Did you tell her that you cheated on me? That's why I kicked you out?
That is not true.
No?
That is not true.
I think I'm not coming to you.
This is not a hotel. I did not double this shit.
Yeah.
Oh, are you happy?
Go cry.
Are you happy now?
Go fucking cry yourself asleep.
Are you happy? I guess now we all know why he has another woman in his bed. You've made a wise decision, man. Don't be hanging out with an abuser.
What are you doing
What
here?
are you doing here?
What are you doing
I'm
here?
here by myself. I just wanted to get a drink.
You thought that you were coming to see Jason, didn't you?
No.
Well, joke's on you. I'm Jason.
Wait, what?
I'm Jason. The act's done. I know you made a fake profile. I made a fake profile because I knew you were on fucking Tinder.
Okay. Well, that wasn't me.
Yeah, it was. I know it was you. That's why you're here right
Jason?
now. I am Jason.
Oh, shit.
Okay, babe. Babe, who is this?
Hey, it's my personal trainer. Don't worry, he's gay and he has a boyfriend.
Oh, really? A boyfriend? Yeah, what's his name? What's his name?
He's yelling at me because I'm gay.
Oh my god.
He's not gay. He pounded me last week.
Hey,
see what I mean?
You're just being fat phobic. You're
What are you
gay.
talking about?
You hate
No,
men. You want me to
no,
be
I don't
fat.
know.
Why are there so many women today who say they don't need a man?
I mean, because if they want to go 50-50 on things, I just don't need them.
Because there's a lot of bum-ass men out in the world who don't do enough so us women can supply for ourselves now.
Women are better than men. What do men bring to the world? Literally nothing. Women, the vibes, just everything. Everything is brought to by women.
Completely disagree. You say that men bring nothing in the world. Everything you know and love. If you look around the entire infrastructure of our nation, our economy, every building you walk into, the camera that's filming you right now, the microphone you're speaking to, everything is built, maintained, and it's still maintained to this day through men. Hardworking men.
I love how he's mansplaining this to me.
No, I'm serious that the way that you are portraying your ideas and opinions is through technology and infrastructure and an economy and a nation that was not only built, but it's still maintained to this day by men.
I'm not letting you back in the house.
Why? I said I'm sorry.
What do you mean, why? You've cheated on me, yeah? You've cheated on me, yeah? I'm not letting you back in the house. Are you okay? You've cheated on me and you're expecting to come back in the house.
It was just a one night thing. It wasn't like I was gonna have an affair or like cheat on you. I just got really drunk and I said I'm sorry.
It don't matter if you're sorry or not.
Well, what else do you want me to do? I was literally coming to your house and
You cheated on me. Who's that? Who's that coming?
it's my dad.
Why have you brought your dad here?
You alright, John?
No, I'm not alright. Your daughter's cheated on me, mate.
What? What have you done?
She's cheated on me. And now she wants to come back into my house.
Because I want to apologise. I want to talk like adults.
Why have you brought your dad here?
Because he knows that I'm a good person and that how much I care about you.
Excuse me. Hang on a second. You've cheated on John.
It was just one night.
Is that right?
I just got really drunk.
For God's sake.
It happens all the time.
Oh, it happens all the time. You cheat on him all the time.
No, but like people do it all of the time.
No,
it doesn't happen all the time.
I've never done it. What's the matter with you?
That's what you see in the movies, isn't it?
This is real life. Why have you done that to the man you
I
love?
didn't do it purposely. I was just really drunk, and I said I'm sorry, and I just want
John,
to
mate,
talk.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what to say, really. I mean, I'm
It's not your fault, man.
My daughter, I mean, I thought she had more morals than that. So
I said I'm sorry. What more do you want me to do? I said
You
I'm
said
sorry.
you're sorry, but that's it. Like, I'm not letting you back in my house. Like,
yeah, sorry doesn't cut it, does it? I can't say I blame him, really. You better come back with me now, then.
No, I'm not leaving until I talk to you.
He doesn't want to talk to you. I don't blame him. I wouldn't talk to you either.
Well, I can't be
I've talked to you. I've talked to you. You didn't even tell me. You didn't even tell me. Your friend told me. Your friend sent me a picture of you kissing another guy.
Like, you did. It was one time. There was no intention behind it.
Well, it must have been intentional.
It don't matter if there's intention.
No, that's not an excuse.
The intention is you're not allowed back in my house. End of.
He's not letting you back in, and I don't blame him. In fact, I'm totally on
You're
his
gonna
side.
miss me. You're gonna miss me. You'll come crawling
John,
back.
mate, I'm so sorry. I apologise on my daughter's behalf. I thought she was better than this. I really did. I'm really sad and angry about it.
What can I do to make it better?
I'll tell you what, John. If I pop round tomorrow, shall I pick up her stuff from you? John?
Yeah, like
I'll
she's
come
not welcome back in my house.
Well, I understand that, and I get that completely. And I'll pop round. What time? What's good for you tomorrow?
I'll send you a text. I don't know, but like, yeah, like I'm still just in a bit of shock, you know. Like it's not really something I've thought about.
Come on, car home, you stupid girl. See you, John. Bye.